Today we're going to talk about the free verse kind of poem. Free verse is poetry that does not rhyme or have a regular meter. It can rhyme occasionally, but it generally is just more poetic looking, has figurative language, but doesn't always rhyme. It's not like Dr. Seussy. So for example, Fog by Carl Sandburg. The fog comes on little cat feet. It sits looking over harbor and city on silent haunches and then moves on. Do you see how it looks like a poem? It has line breaks kind of like a poem, but it doesn't actually rhyme. It's still a poem. It's just called free verse. Here's a little video that explains a bit more about free verse. If you are watching this, then you don't have to watch the other videos on my Showbie link. If you're only clicking through, then you're going to want to watch those videos. Okay, so that's just another definition.
Created using Powtoon.
Whoa, that's just another definition of free verse poems. So here is an example of a free verse poem. Oftentimes it's also called slam poetry. This is Nick Offerman. If you are a Parks and Rec fan, this is Ron Swanson from Parks and Rec. So enjoy. You'll notice that it does rhyme occasionally, but it doesn't have an actual rhyme pattern.
Hi, I'm Nick Offerman, and here's some slam poetry about something that's close to my heart. Sleep breaks via a skillet sizzle. I startle. Like a Goldilocks bear, I bumble out of bed and mumble, "Who's been cooking in my kitchen?" I listen. My nostrils widen. I'm stricken. It's bacon. Fork, knife, spoon. Trash! Here's my fork, knife, spoon again. Attached to my body, or as I like to say, my bacon eater. Because the world is split into two halves, the bacon and the bacon eaters. Utensils don't make the bacon sweeter. It's breakfast. Crunch. Another bunch. Then lunch. Before I know it, it's been 3 days. I smile, my lips bacon glazed. I'm correct, I'm finished. Life is diminished down to its grizzly bear essence. The bacon and me. The bacon in I. I'm ready to die. I've baconed.
All right, so if you didn't think that poetry can be fun or funny, there is an example of how clever you can actually be with poetry. If you liked that, or you think that, that's not a poem, I would encourage you to go through your figurative language list and see how many figurative language terms that you can actually see within that poem. Even if you saw it written, I bet you'd find a lot more than you think.